Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change app icons on any Android. So do you want to make your Android phone truly yours by changing the look of your app icon? So whether you want a fresh theme or just a cool new style, I'll show you how to change app icons on any Android device, step by step. No routine needed, so let's just go ahead and get started. Now, Android doesn't provide a universal built-in way to change individual app icons on all devices, but there are easy ways using launchers or icon packs that work across almost every phone. Now, you can use a custom launcher, most popular method. So install a custom launcher for Google Play Store. All right. So I'm currently installing this XOS launcher because that's pretty much like the easiest to use. I kind of just find XOS launcher interesting and diverse. So it's launching, and once I have downloaded and installed this, you can also try out Nova Launcher, Microsoft Launcher, Action Launcher, Launcher. All right, this one's also cool. So once this is done, I'm going to take you to the next step. So now that XOS Launcher has been updated, you can just go ahead and launch it. And once you click on it, you see that your entire settings or your entire home has been changed to the new launcher, which is now the XOS launcher. So how to change app icons using the launcher? For a Nova launcher, just go ahead and long press the app icon you want to change, and tap edit, tap the icon image to open icon selection, and choose from built-in icons, icon packs, or your own images, then tap done to save. Okay, so how to do that using the XOS launcher? Okay, well, for this XOS launcher, let's just go ahead and open the XOS launcher. You just so enter into it, and then it just takes you to the themes. Now you see that if you change your wallpaper, or if you change any of the wallpapers, change any of the category, all of your application icons will definitely change and be customized. So with this particular launcher, you cannot edit specific app icons. All right, but then once you select any of the themes, just go ahead and preview, see how the app icons are going to be displayed once you change the theme and you select it. Once that's done, just go ahead and select download, then apply and set as default home. Then all of the applications will just change to that particular theme, or the app icons in that theme will reflect the app icons on your phone as customized, but then you cannot customize each using the XOS launcher. But you can also use, like I said, you can, okay, let's for example look at this. Just go ahead and preview and see what that looks like. If that's the kind of, if that's how you want your apps to appear, then that's fine for you. Another option is this is how the applications, your app icons will appear if this is previewed. So for Nova, you can edit for specific app icons, while for XOS you can't. All right, so that's, you can also use icon packs, like you can download an icon pack from Google Play Store, like Ycons, Moonshine Lines, and Candycons. All of these are just pretty much going to help you. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.